Welcome back. Today, we're discussing how to report someone on Discord using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you encounter any issues with another user, reporting them is straightforward. Let's walk through the steps. First, open your Discord app. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your features. Next, look for the Discord logo in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to return to the main menu. Once you're in the main menu, ensure that the Friends tab is selected. This is where you'll manage your friend list and interactions. Now click on All to view your complete list of friends. Here, you'll find the user you want to report. Once you find the friend you need to report, click on their name to bring up their profile. In the top right corner of their profile, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Report User Profile. After clicking this, you'll be prompted to proceed, so hit Next to continue. At this point, you'll need to choose the reason for your report. It's important to be clear about the issue. After you've made your selection, click Next again. Finally, follow any additional steps provided. This may include submitting evidence or further details about the situation. Once completed, your report will be sent to Discord for review. And that's it. Reporting someone on Discord is simple and helps keep the community safe. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating Discord effectively. Thanks for watching, and take care.